guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a Catherine McBroom inspired makeup tutorial. So recently Catherine posted this picture on her Instagram story of her makeup that was done for her 30th birthday photo shoot. So when I saw this photo, I fell in love. Catherine's makeup looks are always so stunning and so beautiful, and I love how they're always like very bronzy and glowy, and I loved the pop of red on the lips, so I really wanted to recreate the look. So that's pretty much what I did in this video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to create this makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I already went ahead and I got my base done. I moisturized, primed, color corrected, and did all of that stuff before starting just to save time. I'll make sure to link all the products that I used down below in the description box, and I'll also link a video where I show you guys in detail how I like to prepare my base. So make sure to check out that video if you are interested. So I already went ahead and I primed my eyes, and I used the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'll show you guys quickly on camera. So I went ahead in with this a little bit and I just blended it out and I set it in place with some setting powder. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the eyes. So to start, I'm just grabbing my Tarte Clay Play Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to grab the shade Ember, which is this gorgeous brown shade right here. And just using a big fluffy brush, this is by Sonia Keshuk, I'm going to start blending this color into my crease. One thing I love about Catherine's makeup looks is that they're always just so effortless and elegant, and they're always like very bronzy and glowy, and I just love makeup looks like that. So every time she posts like a new look, I'm like, oh my god, I want to try that out. That looks so pretty. So I'm really excited to be filming this video today for you guys. So in terms of the outer portion of the eye, I'm just kind of curving this part. It doesn't really seem like Catherine has a cat eye going, but it's more just subtly blended out. So I'm just doing a curving motion like that and just blending the eyeshadow downwards. Next, I'm going in with the shade Sand, which is this nice cream color right here. And just using a big flat brush, I'm going to start pressing this color onto the entire lid. Just going back in with the fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the crease once again. Just make sure these two colors are nice and blended together. So next I'm going to grab the MAC and Selena eyeshadow palette, and I want to go ahead in with this nice tan shade right here. And just taking my Morphe E17 blending brush, I'm going to dust this bronze color onto the outer corners of my eyes. And this is just going to add nice definition to the eyes. Next, I'm grabbing this nice chocolate brown right here, and using my Morphe M433 blending brush, I'm going to start adding this nice dark chocolate brown to the outer corners of my eyes, and this is going to add really nice definition to the eyes. And you want to just apply a little bit and really blend it out. You don't want to put too much. It doesn't seem like she has a lot, but it definitely seems like she has some sort of like a cat eye situation with something dark smoked out in that area. Alright, so eyeshadow looks pretty good. I want to take a break from the eyes just a little bit, wrap up the face, and then we'll go back to the eyes. You guys already know I'm all over the place when I do my makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead in and conceal my face. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And then under my eyes, of course, I'm going to go ahead in with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer because it has a hydrating formula. I really like that for my dry under eyes. So I'm going to quickly go ahead in and apply these two. So I'm actually going to avoid my nose right now. I think I'm going to put concealer on my nose when I'm nose contouring, so we'll just leave it for now. And I'll just add some concealer to other parts of my face. And I'm going to go ahead in and just blend this out with my beauty blender. to set everything in place, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Alright, so while everything is baking in place, I'm going to go ahead in and do my eyeliner. So based on the picture, it looks like she has like a winged eyeliner going, so I'm just going to go ahead in and do that. Alright you guys, so eyeliner is done. Now I'm going to quickly go ahead in and wipe away the translucent setting powder. Next I'm grabbing this cream toned eyeliner and I'm just going to place this on my waterline. So next I'm going back in to the Tarte Clay Play Volume 2 and I'm grabbing the shade Ember once again. And I'm just going to smoke this out onto my lower lash line. I'm just smoking this color outwards, kind of right below where the wing is, just very subtly. You want to blend that out. This is just gonna add more of like a cat eye effect. Next, I'm grabbing the MAC and Selena palette once again, and I'm just grabbing this nice chocolate brown shade, and I'm going to dust this color onto the lower lash line as well, but more so like in the center. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it when it comes to the eyes. Now I'm going to quickly go off camera and finish up with my brows and my lashes. So for brows, I'm just going to go ahead in with the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 04. And for lashes, it seems like Catherine has very like natural looking lashes, but they're very long. So I think I'm going to go ahead in with the Kiss No. 1 lashes. So I'm just going to pop these on as well as some mascara, and for mascara I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with the eyes. Now I want to go ahead in and contour the face. So I'm going to go ahead in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I'm going to go ahead in and contour my nose. I'm just going to dust the bronzer down the sides. Just a little on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead in with some of the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and put some down the center of the nose. And I'm just going to put a little bit down the sides as well. And I'm going to go ahead in with a small beauty blender and just blend all of this out. Alright, so I'm all done contouring the face. Now I'm going to go ahead in with some blush. I'm grabbing the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pearlescent Pink. And for highlight, I'm grabbing the Becca Champagne Pop highlight. I'm also going to apply this highlight onto the inner corners of the eyes. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of the highlight on the brow bone. And then just going in with my beauty blender, I'm going to press all this highlight into the skin. So for lips, I'm grabbing the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. And for lipstick, I'm grabbing the gorgeous Ruby Woo by MAC. It's this beautiful retro red. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And if you guys have suggestions on videos you would like me to do, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video from me. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!